So all these days we have been talking about positional trades and strategies in this channel, but in today's video we will talk about the intraday strategies. Whether you want to do a short straddle, short strangle or iron fly, whatever strategies we can do on intraday basis. But the problem in intraday basis is you will have to continuously keep on monitoring intraday positions. When you take whatever strategies you take, you have to continuously keep on monitoring. So in this video we will see how to do an intraday strategy. In fact, it is very simple strategy. And one more thing is that if you are an option trader, if you are an expert, there are various ways to backtest and positional trade. Let's say, for example, if you have an Opstra account, you can go and backtest what has happened 2 months or 3 months. If you have a strategy, if you have constructed some strategy, you can go and backtest that strategy, what has happened to the strategy or how it has been performing. But how about intraday strategies? How do you cannot go and backtest an intraday an account holder with Zerodha, and if you are having a sensible account, you can maybe see the future pricing of your strategies. But how do you, if you want an instrument, if you want a website where you can backtest intraday strategies, you will find in this video. Of course, it is not sponsored and many of the people know this website. It is a very popular website. We will see how we can implement an intraday strategy in this website, and we will backtest this strategy for the last 1 year. And also many people were asking about intraday strategies, and what I am going to show you now is something, even though I can tell you the website, I will put a description in the link below. It is a paid version. You cannot get data free of cost. You will have to pay it and you will have to backtest, same like Opstra or Sensible. So on behalf of you, for the benefit of our subscribers, what I am going to do is I have taken some subscription, and we will try to backtest maybe Straddle, Strangle or even Iron Fly for the last 1 year, maybe Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we will see how it has performed, right? So this is the website. The website is called stockmock.in. So as I told, I will leave the description in the link below. If you want, you can go and if you want, you can go and subscribe that. So what I have done here is I have taken a short straddle, right? Short straddle, if you know, it's a combination of a selling call option and selling a put option. Now one lot at the money, both call and put, I have done in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So they have option of doing it in Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty also. The strategy here is very simple. Now what they are doing is, you do a straddle, short straddle. Let's say you are collecting a combined premium of maybe 400, or let's say you are collecting a combined premium of around 200 rupees. You are selling a call option for 100 rupees and you are selling a call option for 100 rupees. So combined premium you are collecting 200 rupees. Now what they are doing is, in fact this is a very famous strategy. If the option premium goes to 120, increases by 25% or 30%, let's say you have sold an option for 100 rupees. If the option price goes to 125 rupees and or 130 rupees, they square off that position and continue with the other position. Let's say Nifty is at 17,500. Now one fine morning, or let's say Monday, you are doing a short straddle, intraday short straddle in Nifty. Now if the Nifty goes to 17,600 or 17,650, the call premium is going to increase from 100 rupees to 125 rupees or 130 rupees. Now once it reaches 130 rupees, what you have to do is, you have to square off the call position and you have to continue with the put position. Now the put position, since the market is moving from 17,500 to 17,600 or 700 or 800, the at the money put is going to be out of the money. So obviously what is going to happen is going to be erosion of premium, and in the put side you will gain money. right? If the market keeps on going, now there are two scenarios in this one. If the market keeps on moving on the upside, the put will keep on giving you money, because the put will be going far out of the money and you will enjoy the premium, right? If the market stays there also, if the market goes to 17,700 or 800, stays there also, still you will make money from the put side because of theta decay. If the market reverses, then you will make a loss. Why? Because you have squared off the call side and the put side will be back to at the money. So that is the only time you are going to suffer. So out of 3 scenarios, 2 scenarios is in favor of you and 1 scenario is in not favor of you, right? If you take this strategy. So let us see what has happened for the last 1 year. So this is the simple strategy. You do a short straddle, you keep a 25% stop loss in both the premium, you add 25% stop loss in your call position and 25% stop loss in your put position. If the premium increases by 25%, you square off that position and continue with the other position. This as simple as that. You don't have to do any adjustment, you don't have to touch anything. You enter at 9:30 in the morning and exit at 3 o'clock in the evening. So one lot selling at the money put option and one lot selling at the money call option. So yeah, so let us see what has happened. So now I have tested it from 1st of September 2020 to 19th of September 2021. So it's almost 1 year. So the overall profit it has given is around 77,758 rupees, and the total expiry is around 56 expiry. Win percentage is 70% and loss percent is 30%. So you can see it here, all the details are here. So lot size is 2, yeah, because one is from the call side and one is from the put side. So maximum winning strike is 12 days and maximum losing strike is 3 days, right? So average profit on the win day is 160,695 and average loss on loss day is around 3,000 rupees. And if you see here the monthly breakup, and if you see the monthly breakup, in 2020 it has given a profit of around 23,489 rupees, and on 2021 almost all the months it has given a profit, and only out of maybe 8 months it is in loss for only 2 months. So that alone is a good return, right? So we will see how much it has given, and if you go scroll down here, you can see all the details, whatever details you are getting here, whatever expiry, buy price, sell price, everything is available here to you. So you can go and see that if you want. So this is the cumulative P&L over time. So for the last year to date, I will select year to date. Yeah, see. So this is a cumulative. If you want, you can go and check here. So this is a straddle. So what I have done here is a straddle. Let us say if you want to do a short strangle. I am doing it in Bank Nifty. So what I am doing here is I am going I'll go minus 300, let's say 400 points. And I will go plus 400 points, right? I will go 400 points away from the spot price. Let's say market is at 17,500. I will go and sell 17,900, and on the downside I will sell 17,100 put option. Okay. Now what we will do, we are going to enter the trade at around 10 o'clock and exit the trade at around 3 o'clock. Now I will select the same date, that is I am selecting from 1st of September till 19th of September, that is 1 day, right? 1 year to date. So let us see how this strategy performs. You have to remember, I am not doing any adjustment, I am just implementing the strategies and just allowing it to do make trade by itself. Okay, in fact this strategy is also kind of giving some good profit. So the overall profit is around 21,295. So total expiry is around 56 and win percentage is 84%. 218 days this strategy has given a profit, and loss 16% of the day it has given a loss, right? So maximum winning streak is around 27 days, and maximum losing streak is around 2 days. So you can go and see here the monthly breakup. So in the year of 2020, this strategy Straddle, just simple Straddle, has given a loss of minus 777, and the profit for the year 2021 is around 22,072. Nothing, you just do a Straddle and forget the Straddle. You only square off the Straddle when the Straddle price, when the premium of your option which you have sold hits 25%, increases by 25%, right? So short Straddle I have done. And the interesting part is Bank Nifty is super volatile, and we will try that on Bank Nifty. So we will do a short Straddle in Bank Nifty, and let us see how that works, right? So yeah, same leg, one lot I am selecting, and let us see how it is performing. So I am going to enter at 10 o'clock and I am going to exit at 3 o'clock from September 1st 2020 to September 19 2021. So today's date you cannot do anything, right? So let us wait and see. Okay, 25. Okay. Now what I have done here is I have set a stop loss of around 25% in Bank Nifty trade. So let's see how this performs now, right? Okay, so this strategy has given an overall profit of around 1,37,997. So here you have to remember that I have set a stop loss of 25% target price. If my premium increases by 25%, there will be a stop loss, and I am going to continue with the other trades. So we will see here how much it has given. Overall profit is around 1,37,997. Winning days is 12 days, and maximum losing streak is around 4 days. So on the maximum profit for 2020 is around 34,225. I am talking about one lot. And if you see on 2021, maximum profit so far is around 1,37,772. So this is the amount of profit you will make in intraday strategies. And look at the I think on Friday alone, this strategy has given a loss of around 4,542. Let us see what is happening here. Let us see the latest here. If you see here, I am doing a 17th September 2021 strategy. What this has done here, let us see. Both at the money PE and at the money call option and at the money put option was in a loss, stop loss was hit. So the trade has to be exited. That is what is happening here. If you see here, you can identify this one, right? So this they are putting the trade details also here. So if you want, you can go and check that also. So like this, you can backtest all the strategies, and if you want, you can go and trade also. But what I would say is, since there are no intraday margins and there are no any big deals about intraday. Earlier you used to get high intraday margins from brokers, and you would have done many good amount of trades, but nowadays since there is no intraday margin, you will have to live with it. You don't have any other option, right? So I thought we will share this video, this strategy with you. So might be you might be benefiting out of it, but I'll tell you, this is also a risky strategy. Risky strategy in the sense, when you compare it with the positional trade, this is some kind of rest risk. You don't have overnight risk. You can go and sleep peacefully, right? So you don't have to think about what is going to happen to your positional trades, what is going to happen to US market, Dow futures. You don't have to worry about anything. You get into the trade at 10 o'clock, you exit the trade at 3:30. That's it, finish. You are done for the day, whether you make profit or loss. So let me know what you think about this trade in the comment section below. I hope I have explained whatever is possible. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.